Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 2 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter subtraction grade 3, subtraction 3 digits. The lessons we're going to cover today are subtract multiples of 100, subtract 3-digit numbers, subtraction word problems up to 3 digits, complete the subtraction sentence up to 3 digits. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is subtract multiples of 100. Let's just start with the first lesson. So here I am on grade 2 maths. The chapter is subtraction 3 digits, and the lesson I'm going to start with is subtract multiples of 100. Let's just start with the first lesson. So we have to start with the subtracting numbers with multiples of 100. Got it? Let's start with the first example. You have to do 200 minus 100. So basically just look at the both numbers. Both of the numbers have two zeros at the end. Got it? The numbers are 200 minus 100. So both of the numbers have two zeros. Got it? When the numbers of zeros are same, it is very easy to subtract them. Just write them one above the other. Got it? Like you can write them as 200 minus 100. So we know that 0 subtract 0 is 0. So you have a 0 here. Again 0 subtract 0, 0 is 0. 0 and 2 minus 1 is 1. Got it? That means 200 minus 100 equals 100. Got it? Okay, the next one is 600 minus 500. So let's just see how many zeros both the number have. So both the numbers have two zeros. Got it? That means subtracting them is very easy. Just write them down one above the other. It would be 600 minus 500. Got it? We know that 0 take away 0 is 0. 0 take away 0 is 0. Just subtract the non-zero numbers. 6 minus 5 is 1. Got it? So 600 minus 500 equals 100. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions so that we can do them on board. Okay, 900 minus 800. The first question is 900 minus 800. So let's just see how many number of zeros we have in both the digits. So in both the digits we have two zeros. Here you have two zeros and here you have two zeros. So when the number of zeros are same in both the numbers, subtracting them is very easy. Just write them one above the other. So it would be 900 minus 800. We know that 0 take away 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. You have to do 9 minus 8. So 9 minus 8 is, yes, 9 minus 8 it is 1. Very good. It is 100. Got it? That means 900 minus 800 equals 100. So the correct option is 100. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Very good. Okay, 800 minus 100 is 800 minus 100. So just look at the both the numbers. They have the same number of zeros. Both the number have two zeros. Got it? That means they are it. Just write them down one above the other. And we know that 0 take away 0 is 0. 0 take away 0 is 0. So 8 take away 1 is 8 take away 1 is 7. Got it? That means 800 minus 100 equals 100. 700. Got it? 800 minus 100 equals 700. Got it? So the correct option is 700. 800 minus 100 equals 700. 700 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 600 minus 200. So both the numbers have two zeros, the same number of zeros. So that means subtracting them is n. So you have to do 600 minus 200. So they both have two zeros. So let's just write them down one above the other. It would be 600 minus 200. Got it? Zero minus zero is zero. Zero minus zero is zero. Just subtract the non-zero numbers. 6 minus 2 is 4. Got it? So 600 minus 200 equals 400. Got it? My name is Maria. Yasmin, my name is Maria. So 600 minus 200 equals 400. Got it? So the correct option is 400. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is subtract 600 minus 500. So just subtract them, write them down one above the other because they have the same number of zeros. So we know that 0 subtract 0 is 0, 0 subtract 0 is 0. Just subtract the non-zero values. Got it? 6 minus 5 equals 6 take away 5 equals 6 take away 5 equals 1. Got it? That means 600 minus 500 equals 100. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 900 minus 600. So again, both the digits have same number of zeros. They have the same zeros. Both of them have two zeros. So just write them down one above the other and let's subtract them. Got it? 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 take away 6 is 3. Got it? That means 900 minus 600 equals 300. Got it? So the correct option is 300. So the correct option is 300. Okay, the next one is 800 minus 400. 800 minus 400. So both the digits have two zeros. They have same number of zeros. Just subtract the non-zero values. Got it? We know that 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So 8 minus 4 is 4. Got it? That means 800 minus 400 equals 400. Got it? So the correct option is 400. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 700 minus 400. So basically, if the numbers of zeros are same in both the digits, you just have to subtract the non-zero values because we know that 0 minus 0 is 0. Got it? The non-zero is 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. So 700 minus 400 equals 300. Got it? So the correct option is 300. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? The next one is subtract three-digit numbers. So the first one is 572 minus 8. So let's just start with the first example. Okay, so you have to start subtract 572 out of 8. 8 out of 572. Got it? So you always start from the ones digit. You need to do 2 minus 8, but we can't because 2 is smaller than 8. Got it? You cannot subtract a smaller number out of the greater one. So you need to borrow 1 to make the number greater than 8. When you borrow 1 from here, you are left with 6 here and it makes 12 here. Got it? You have 7, but you borrowed 1, so you are left with 6 here and it makes the digit 12. Got it? So now you can subtract 12 out of 8. Got it? So 12 out of 8 is 4. Here you have 6 and here you have 5. That means 572 take away 8 equals 564. Got it? So the correct option is 564. Okay, let's just start with the test questions so that we can do the practice questions. You can have a look on the tutorial one by yourself. Got it? Okay, the first one is 110 minus 0. So when you subtract 0 from any number, the answer equals the number itself. Got it? So 110 subtract 0 equals, so that would be 110. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 650 minus 1. 650 minus 1. So start subtracting from the ones digit. 0 minus 1. Can you subtract 0 out of 1? No. Got it? Because 0 is smaller than 1. You cannot subtract 0 out of 1. You need to borrow 1 from the next number. So when you borrow 1 here, you are left with 4. And the one you borrowed, make it 10. Got it? That would be always a tens digit. And the number you borrowed must be the ones digit. Got it? So it would be now 10. So 10 take away 1 is, so 10 take away 1 is 9. Here you have 4 and here you have 6. That means 650 take away 1 equals 649. Got it? So the correct option is 649. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 625 minus 2. 625 minus 2. So start subtracting from the ones digit. So you have to do 2 take away 5. Got it? So 5 take away 2 is, 5 take away 2 is 3, because 5 is greater than 2, so you can subtract. Then you have to bring 2 as it is and 6. So 625 minus 2 equals 623. Got it? So the correct option is 623. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 285 minus 0. Again, you are going to subtract 0 out of 285. So 285 minus 0 is, Subtracting 0 from any number equals the same number, so it equals 285. Got it? Okay, the next one is 578 minus 3. 578 minus 3. Okay, so start subtracting from the ones digit. So 8 take away 3 is 8 is greater than 3, so you can subtract. So 8 take away 3 is 8 take away 3 is 5. Write down 7 as it is and 5 as it is. That means 578 minus 3 equals 575. Got it? So the correct option is 575. Okay, the next one is 161 minus 5. 161 minus 5. So start subtracting from ones digit. 1 take away 5. No, we cannot subtract a smaller number out of the greater one. So you need to borrow 1. When you borrow 1, you're left with 5 here and it makes 11. Got it? 11 minus 5 is 6. Write down 5 as it is and 1. That means 161 take away 5 equals 156. Got it? So the correct option is 156. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 200 minus 5. So let's just subtract. Okay, so you have to do 0 minus 5, but we can't. Got it? So you need to borrow 1 from the next digit, but the next one is also 0. You cannot borrow from 0. So you have to borrow from the 100 digit. When you borrow from here, you're left with 1 here, and the one you borrowed make it 10. And you need to do step by step everything. You need to borrow from here to here, but here you already have 0. So you have to borrow from here. So you borrowed 1 from here, so here you have 10. Now you can borrow 1 from here, so it makes 10 here, and here you are left with 9 because you borrowed 1. Got it? So 10 take away 5 is 5. Write 9 as it is and 1, so it would be 195. Got it? So 200 take away 5 is 195. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 695 minus 3. Okay, 5 take away 3 is, you can subtract. Got it? Because 5 is greater than 3. So we can subtract a greater number out of the smaller one, but not a smaller one out of the greater. Got it? 5 take away 3 is 2. Write down 9 as it is and 6, so it would be 692. Got it? 695 minus 3 equals 692. Okay, the next one is 669 minus 3. Okay, 9 minus 3 is 9 minus 3 is 6. Bring the 6 down and also the 6. So it would be 666. Got it? So the correct option is 666. So the correct option is 666. Got it? Okay, the next one is 199 minus 5. Let's just do 199 minus 5. 199 minus 5. So 9 take away 5 is, nine minus 5 is 4. Bring 9 as it is and 1. So now 195, 199 minus 5 is 194. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? The next lesson is subtraction word problems up to 3 digits. So let's just start with the next lesson. Subtraction word problems up to 3 digits. Okay, in art classes, so now we are going to do the same thing, but now we're going to work on the word problems. Got it? In art class, students are making a giant paper chain to decorate the classroom for the holidays. There are total of 240 links in their chain. 68 of the links are made of red paper and the rest are green. How many links are green? So basically 68 of the links are red. You need to calculate how many of them are green. That means out of 240, total are 240 and 68 are red. You need to calculate the green one, so you need to subtract 68 out of 240. Got it? So 264 minus 68. 240 minus 68. So start subtracting from the ones digit. You cannot subtract 0 out of 8. So you need to borrow 1. It makes 10 here. Here you are left with 3. Got it? So 10 take away 8 is 2. Got it? Then you have 3 take away 6. You cannot subtract 3 take away 6 because 3 is smaller and 2 6 is greater. So you have to borrow 1. It makes 13 here. Got it? 13 take away 6 is 13 take away 6 is 7. Now you have to bring 1 down. That means 68 of them are red. So the green links are 172. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Kira runs her own baking company. This morning, Kira's workers baked 47 blackberry pies. They also baked some more after lunch. In total, they baked 304 blackberry pies. How many blackberry pies did Kira's workers bake after lunch? So you have to calculate the blackberry pies they baked after the lunch. Before lunch they baked 47. So you need to subtract 47 out of 304. Got it? So basically you need to do 304 minus 47. Okay, so let's just subtract 4. Subtract 4 out of 7. We cannot because 4 is smaller and 7 is greater. So you have to borrow 1 from here. But here you have already 0. You cannot borrow from 0. So you have to borrow from here. Here you have 3. When you borrow 1, you're left with 2. When you borrow 1, it makes 10 here. Now you can borrow 1 from 10. So here you are left with 9 and it makes 14. Got it? So 14 take away 7 is 14 take away 7 is 7. Got it? 9 take away 4 is 5, and here you have 2. That means 47 out of 304 makes 257. Got it? So it makes 257. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, let's just start with the next question. So it is 257. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is the Greenville Bakery has had 788 bags of the sugar. Then an employee used 51 bags of sugar to make some cookies. How much sugar is left? So you have to do 788 minus 51. Got it? So let's just subtract 788 minus 51. So 8 take away 1 is 7. 8 take away 5 is 3, and here you have 7. That means 51 take away 788 equals 737. Got it? So the correct option is 737. It is 737. Got it? Hello everyone, can you hear me? Please just write a yes if you can hear me properly. Okay, so the correct option is 737. Okay, the next one is Mr. Joseph donated 38 picture books to the library. Now the library has 585 picture books. How many picture books did the library have before the donation? So you have to do 38 minus 535. Got it? Okay, start subtracting from the ones digit. 5 take away 8. You cannot because 5 is smaller than 8. Got it? So you need to borrow 1. So here you are 2 and it makes 15. 15 take away 8 is 7. Again, you cannot subtract 2 out of 3, so you need to borrow 1. It makes 12 here. 12 take away 3 is 9, and here you have 4. So it is 497. Got it? Okay, the next one is Gary and Booney jumped on the couch a combined total of 471 times. Then the couch broke. They both got in big trouble. If Gary jumped on the couch 21 times, how many times did Booney jump on it? So you have to do 21 take away 471. Got it? Just subtract 471, subtract 21. Got it? So 1 minus 1 is 0. 7 minus 2 is 5 and 4. That means the total he jumped is 450. Got it? Gray jumped 21 times and Booney jumped 450 times. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Let's just start with the next lesson. The next lesson is complete the sentence. Complete the subtraction sentences up to 3 digits. So let's just start with the next lesson. Got it? Complete the subtraction sentence up to 3 digits. Okay, let's start with the first one, that is Missing number minus 7 equals 207. Missing number minus 7 equals 277. So just add 7 both sides because here 7 is subtracting. So opposite to subtraction is division. So just add 7 both sides. So here 7 minus 7 is 0. You are left with just the missing number and just add them, 277 and 7. 7 plus 7 makes 14. Write 4 here and carry 1. 7 plus 1 is 8 and 2. That means the missing number is 284. Got it? 284 minus 7 equals 277. So the missing number is 284. Got it? Okay. The first one is 202 minus missing number equals 195. 202 minus the missing number equals 195. Okay, now you can have a look. The smaller number is missing. Got it? Because we always subtract a smaller number out of the greater one. So the greater one is 202. That means the missing one is the smaller one. Got it? So just subtract this number on the other side, both sides. Got it? Just subtract 195 both sides. 195 plus 195 minus 195 makes 0. Just subtract 202 out of 195. You cannot subtract 2 out of 5. You need to borrow 1. Here you already have 0, so you can borrow 1 from here. It makes 10 here. When you borrow here, you are left with 2, 9 and 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 9 minus 9 is 0. 1 minus 1 is. That means 202 minus 195 makes 7. And 7 minus missing number is what number you can subtract from here to make. That means you can subtract 7 both sides. Got it? 7 minus 7 is 0. That means the missing number is 7. Got it? So 202 minus 7 equals 195. Got it? So the correct option is 109. The missing number is, sorry, 7. 202 minus 7 equals 195. Got it? Okay, the next number is the missing number minus 2 equals 553. The missing number minus 2 equals 553. Okay, you can see the greater number is missing here. Got it? Because you can subtract 2 is a smaller one. You can always subtract a smaller number out of the greater one. So when the greater number is missing, you can add this negative 2 both sides because opposite to subtraction is addition. So just add 2 both sides. Minus 2 plus 2. It would be 553 plus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. You are left with the missing number, and 5, 3 plus 2 is 5. So that means the missing number is 555. Got it? So that means the missing number is 555. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is 933. 933 minus the missing number equals 925. Subtract 925 both sides. So when you subtract 933 out of 955, you're left with 8. Here you have 0. That means the missing number is 8. Got it? So the correct option is 8. The missing number minus 4 equals 712. So the greater number is missing. Got it? Add 4 both sides. Because opposite to subtraction is addition. 4 minus 4 is 0 and 712 plus 4 equals 716. Got it? That means the missing number is 716. Got it? So the correct option is 716. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we're working on the grade 2 maths. Chapter we're working on is subtraction 3 digits. And the lessons we have covered today are subtract multiples of 100, subtract 3-digit numbers, subtraction word problems up to 3 digits, and complete the subtraction sentence up to 3 digits. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Please click on the like button right below the video. That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.